morning, everybody. Today is Monday and we have a little bit of a busy day planned for today. Not too crazy or anything, but I have my ultrasound of my ovaries and uterus. Sorry to start the vlog off with it in your face. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay. I have two little girls and my husband and I were TTCing for baby number 3, but we have had two early miscarriages. So my doctor ordered an ultrasound just to see if everything's okay and like what's going on and check my egg quality and that sort of thing. So I have that today at 4:30 and then I meet with my OB, but that's not till the end of March. I think it's the end of March or the second week of March or something like that. Just to go over everything and just, you know, make sure everything's okay. I have a feeling everything's perfectly fine. I do believe that everything is in God's timing and it's just not meant to be right now, but it's good to get some answers. And I've cleaned up my diet. I'm eating super healthy. Although last night I did have a Dairy Queen soft cone ice cream because we took the girls to Dairy Queen yesterday. We went to the park and just had like a fun day as a family. If you want to see those pictures, they're really, really cute. You can look on my Instagram handle, which is always down below. But today B's just watching cartoons. That's really loud actually. And Olivia, my 11-month-old, is sleeping right now and my girlfriend is on her way. We're gonna go take the kids for a walk to the park and then come back and have lunch. It's beautiful out today. It's plus 6, which I'm in Canadian in case you couldn't tell. So I think that's like 45-ish Fahrenheit or 43 or something like that. Anyways, it's like spring to us Canadians when we've had like a long winter, although this winter hasn't been that bad, but it's just nice to get out, get some fresh air. I'm so excited for like all the things coming up. I am editing my spring cleaning video today, which you guys would have already seen, so I will link that down below or put a handle here where you can watch that, because I went like a mad woman cleaning my house and I still have way more to do. I have to do my upstairs and clean out the closet. I'll put all the winter stuff away, not quite yet, because let's be real, in Canada we can still get a snowstorm in April, although it's been pretty mild this year, so I think we're gonna get an early spring. But I'm excited because next weekend is, or this weekend coming, is Olivia's baptism, and then she's gonna turn 1 on March 12th and her party's the 14th, and I still have to do a party planning video for you guys because we're having a winter wonderland theme because she's a winter baby, because it's still winter until I think the very end of March. So we're gonna have a little party for her. It's so cute. I can't wait to show you guys the decorations. I didn't do as much DIY this time because I found everything I needed online. But yeah, I'm really excited to show you all that. And I got my Easter decor up. Easter's coming up soon. I'm just really excited. My husband quit his job. He's home today, but he's gone. He travels for work, so his last trip is he leaves tomorrow and he comes back on Friday, and then he's done. So no more traveling for him, which is so nice, and we're both so happy. So you're gonna see him today. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna do that lazy shepherd's pie from Tiffany Beeston. If you don't know who she is, you're living under a rock. She's like a queen in my eyes. I love her. And she does like a lazy shepherd's pie supper, so we're gonna have that for supper, and then I'll take you with me to get for my ultrasound and all that stuff. So anyways, we'll see you guys at the park. We're at the park. It's a beautiful day. Hey, yeah. You going up the slide? I'm gonna take your picture. Say cheese. No. Look at you go. Cheese. Say cheese. 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 God bless you. Oh, good. We are back from the park. That was honestly so much fun. Beautiful day. I could have honestly been in a t-shirt in the sun, but then whenever we weren't directly in the sun and there was a bit of a breeze, look at my hair, because it was just, look at this, then it was a bit cool, but it was seriously so nice. It's always nice to see my good friend. She's one of my best friends. But the girls are just playing. They have to go to bed soon. It's 1:45 and I just did up the dishes and I'm prepping supper for when they're in bed. I still have to have my lunch, but I've got ground beef in here and then I did potatoes and water, and when they're in bed I'll start this all. I just wanted to, Olivia's playing there, see if I had a beef, yeah, I do, like a beef bouillon cube, I think that's what it's called, to add to the meat. And because I'm doing shepherd's pie. I don't know if I said that, but I'm doing shepherd's pie. And we've got canned corn. Hi, baby girl. Hi. Canned corn, that's gonna go in there too. And then we'll just have it maybe with some like broccoli in the oven or something like that. But I wanted to cook it now because I have to leave at 4 o'clock for my ultrasound. So I want supper to be ready for my mother-in-law to give the girls. And I should be back just after 5 anyways. So anyways, so that's what I'm doing, and I'll show you guys my lunch once I get these kiddos to bed. So I've got the potatoes boiling and the meat cooking, and I just put in a beef bouillon cube and one of those like gravy packets. This is driving me insane. A gravy packet, just so that the meat gets kind of, it just gives the meat more flavor. And if you want, what you can do after, if it doesn't thicken enough, is you can drain out the liquid, so then the meat still has the flavor, but your shepherd's pie is not sloppy. So I just have that cooking. I'm browning up the meat. Potatoes are cooking, and I had to throw out my soup because I had some left that just I didn't eat. But I saved the carrots and some onion from there, so I'm gonna add this to the meat mixture. And then I'm obviously gonna add in some corn. I made myself a salad. This has arugula, spinach, and normal lettuce, veggie ground, green onion, tomato, grapeseed oil, and a tiny little bit of that Renee's ranch. I don't know if you guys get that in the States, but it's in Canada, and it's seriously so good. So I just put a little bit of that, and I'm so hungry. But I have to also watch this, so I'm just trying to like kill 2 birds here. But I put the girls to bed, and I'm really tired because walking to that park is like almost the entire way is uphill. So I'm tired. I feel like I got my workout in, but yeah. We got some cute pictures of the kiddos, so that was really nice. It's always nice to see other moms and like get out of the house because it's seriously so therapeutic, especially in this nice weather. It's a must for sure. It seriously looks so good. I just put it in for 20 minutes at 375. Oh yeah, and I put a bit of cheese on top too, so yay. And I am having my tea and relaxing because I'm exhausted. These 2 little stinkers woke up at the same time. So Olivia loves to be in Blake's bed, don't you? They play, and that's how I'm able to vacuum really quick. I just plop Olivia in here with her and they play, and I vacuum, and then I have to clean the bathroom too because I haven't done that in a little bit. But these 2 little nuggets are my whole world. Look at them. What are you doing? You'll go get stuck, Livy. Olivia, what are you doing? What are you doing? Best friends over here. Hey, Livy, what's you doing? Get her, bee. Bathroom's clean, sinks are clean, toilet's clean, and we're playing hide and seek, aren't we, baby? I was just upstairs for 2 seconds. Hi! You want me to hide? Okay, start counting. So I am on my way back from my ultrasound. Sorry, the camera's moving. I really need to get a dash cam or a camera holder thingy for my car. So you guys are gonna die laughing. I didn't know it was a transvaginal exam because I had to hold my liquid. So it was a regular ultrasound, but it was also transvaginal. So I go in there, and it's this really sweet Russian lady, and she hands me a robe and says, take off your pants and your underwear and put this on. And I was like, for an ultrasound? I was like, I've never had to do this before. And she's like, it's transvaginal. And I was like, oh, that would be why I have to put this gown on. So it was not bad, honestly. After you've had 2 kids, it's like nothing. I hope I don't lose you. You're gonna slide everywhere. Hold on. So I got the ultrasound and she said my doctor's supposed to get the results in like 2 days. But I looked at the pictures and it looks really weird. Like, I'm not even sure what the inside of my uterus is supposed to look like without a baby in it. So I'm gonna do some Googling when I get home, but I'm on my way home. Colin's gonna be home shortly as well. And then we're just gonna heat up the shepherd's pie and be good to go. But I'm hoping everything's okay. Yeah, I don't know, but anyways, I also just picked up my parents' mail because they're in Mexico till Thursday, and I got Blake's shoes in the mail. I ordered her some pink rain boots for Easter and these rose gold sparkle shoes that are so cute. I can't wait to show you guys, but I'll talk to you when I get home, although I really need gas because I'm on low kilometers. Also got my white tennis shoes all muddy because my parents live in the country and the road where their mailbox is, there's like this much mud, so I sunk in that like quicksand, which was just great. So my nice white shoes are all mucked, so I'm gonna try and like clean off the mud in the snow and then yeah, just wash them in the house, I guess. But I'll see you guys when I get home. Not this, oh, I guess it's healed. We're watching Peppa Pig with Blake. Her shoes came in. I gotta show you these. Well, this is a present for B for Easter, but new running shoes. Wait till I show you. Colin liked my shepherd's pie. What did you think? It's terrible. Look how handsome. He's lying. He loved it. And look how much is gone. I actually even had second helpings too, so.
She had 30 actually.
Thirds. I had 2, and then I had a piece of Blakey's chocolate, but I'm glad to be home, and I'm glad that ultrasound's over with, and hopefully my doctor calls me in 2 days when he gets the results, but you know how doctors can be. But anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here because Colin and I are gonna watch Ozark tonight, which is a really good show. We really recommend it. It took me like, what, 4 or 5 episodes to get into? About 5, I'd say.
Yeah.
Took you 5? 4 or 5 episodes to get into, but then it's really, really good. I almost had a heart attack at the last episode of the first season, and every episode of the second season is so good and just gets better and better. So definitely watch Ozark. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.